Hi guys, it's Megan again. Today we're going to go over how to make a payment on your e-commerce account. First, you are going to want to go to your purchases, account balance. Here you'll find your account balance and invoices that you have. Click on the invoice that you want to pay and click Make a Payment. Here you have the ability to edit the payment amount. So if you want to pay half on one card or half on another, if you want to split payment, you can click Edit Payment. You can amend this amount and click Save. Once you confirm the amount that you want to pay, click Continue. You'll need to add a credit or debit card. Once you get all that information in and confirm it's correct, you will click Submit.